So children, now we will see right side below figure 9.1. Trade is an important activity, economic activity. The economic life of people is interdependent. No region or country is self-sufficient. Trade between two regions is necessary to fulfill the needs of the people. As each region has different geographical conditions, each region produces a specific commodities. So children, just now we discussed about that trading is very important economic activity. The development of any country depends upon the trading activity. Understood? So it is an economic activity which generates money, which is related to generation of money. Understood? And anyway, money is always important for the development of any country. The economic life of people is also interdependent. No nation can survive alone. No people can survive alone. They need help of each and everybody. So nation also need help of each and every nation. So between two country or between regions, different region, there is always a relationship based on trading. We have already studied that since ancient times, since medieval time, India was known for trading and trading relation with so many countries. Understood? So trading between two countries is very important because no nation is totally independent. Understood? It is interdependence of the nations, between the nation. The relationship depends upon interdependence of the nation. And in terms of trading also, in terms of trading. So here, as we are studying about trading, so we will focus mainly on trading. Understood? So each region has different geographical conditions. See children, any country or any region, its production or its we can say production of any specific commodities depends upon the geographical condition. Why Kashmir is very famous for apples? Because it is very conducive, it is having the conducive atmosphere or environment for the production or the agriculture of apples. So it is also very geographical condition is also very important for the trading. Understood? Now see the next paragraph. If there is a paucity of commodity, paucity underline, it means scarcity. If there is a paucity of commodity, then there is demand for that commodity. The place where it is abundant provides the supply of the commodity. Thus, supply is done from the regions producing excess commodities to the region facing deficit according to the demand. For example, apples produced in Jammu and Kashmir are sent to other states of India having demand for it. So, it is very clearly that where there is demand, there is supply. Where there is no demand, there is no supply. So, if there is scarcity of commodity, then there is demand for that commodity. See children, whenever you can take example of onions. Since it happens before 1.5 year or 2 years, there was very much scarcity of onions in our country. So India was compelled to import onions from African countries. Understood? Because demand was much, because we are having such food habits that we need to have onions in our day-to-day food. So there was much demand of onions and there was scarcity of onion. So India was compelled to import onions from other countries. So this is how this means that if there is demand and if there is a deficit or if there is scarcity of that commodity, then we are supposed to import that commodities. So for example, apples cannot be grown everywhere. So we need to have conducive environment. We need to have particular geographical condition. So Jammu Kashmir is the state, or we can say northern Himalayan states like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir. So those states they are much ahead in production of agriculture of these fruits. So they are so Jammu Kashmir are they are leading in apple production. So they used to send to other parts of the states, other parts of the country. So this is how trading is done. Understood? So this is the concept of trading, because we need to understand that why trading is very important and how trading is done between two countries. Understood?